Hello and welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, today I'll be taking a look at this classic patch kit. It's a tire repair kit and not a tube repair kit from Slime. And I picked this up yesterday, I guess for under $5 at Walmart. You know, I'm going to be working on a repair project. And I noticed there's no actual pictures on this thing, so I wanted to just show you, if you're interested, what's inside. So let's get to that. And first of all, I see it comes in this nice little can, which I think is really neat. And the cover has a little scuffer on it for, you know, you need to do this before you start your repair project, to scuff up the tube. Okay, so let's see what else is inside. And it says it's a 27-piece kit, so let's see. You got, put this aside and put that aside. Here you got 2 rubber cement. I'm just going to pour it all out. Okay, so you got a whole selection of different size patches. I guess that's the biggest one you're going to find on it, and I think that's probably let me see, I guess 4 inches or something like that. Okay, so you can see on the cover all the different sizes on it. And yeah, I think it's a good deal for under $5. You'll be able to patch some tires. And again, it's not a tube repair kit. Yeah, so that's what you're going to get inside of this. I hope this was helpful to someone.